All right, it's 9 o'clock straight up. Good morning, everybody. Mike Anderson, Senior Internal Wholesaler here at American Independent Marketing. Glad to be with you. I'm glad that you have and appreciative that y'all have made time today to join us for this webinar. Nisha's going to spend the next half hour or so looking at short-term care insurance as an overview rather than getting into product specifics and why it is so important in this day and age. A couple of things to keep in mind as we go forward. Number one, everybody's in lecture mode. That means that we will push questions to the end. We'll have plenty of time for those at the end, but that way we get a good quality recording. We are recording this as we always do. We'll get it processed. It'll get loaded up onto the website by tomorrow morning, and that way you'll have the opportunity to circle back to this and review it if that is what you think that you want to do. Next up on the webinar scheduled June 4th, taking a look at the hybrid long-term care portfolio. Derek Lape will be joining you for that presentation. That will be Tuesday, June 4th, 9 a.m., as is always with our new webinar date. So with that said, I'm going to get out of the way here. I'm going to turn this over to my colleague, Nisha, and she's going to spend the next little bit of time working with you on short-term care insurance. Take it away, Nisha.
Thank you, Mike. Good morning, everyone, and welcome. Thank you for joining us today for this crucial webinar on short-term care insurance. My name is Kanisha Catron. I am one of the marketing reps here at AIM, and I'm thrilled to have the opportunity to guide you through this important topic that affects so many individuals and families. In recent years, the landscape of healthcare has evolved significantly with an aging population and the rising cost of long-term care. More people are exploring short-term care insurance as a practical and affordable solution, whether you're considering this option for yourself, a loved one, or finding a way to stay informed about the healthcare choices for your clients, you're in the right place. During our session today, we'll cover the essentials of short-term care insurance, including what it is, who it benefits, and how it can provide peace of mind during times of medical need. My goal is to equip you with the knowledge you need to help clients and prospects make informed decisions about your healthcare options. By the end of this webinar, you should have a clearer understanding of how short-term care insurance can fit into your overall healthcare plan and provide you with the support you need when it matters most. So let's dive in and explore the valuable benefits and opportunities that short-term care insurance offers. The health and well-being of your clients are our top priority, and we're here to ensure you have all the information you need. Thank you guys again for being here. Let's get started. I always like to add a quote into my presentation, and today's quote is, "The way to get started is to quit talking and begin doing," by Walt Disney. A little brief overview of talking about short-term care. We'll define it, discuss some carrier options, benefits, utilization, how to start a conversation, as well as next steps. So, what is short-term care insurance? Clients should have options available to cover unexpected out-of-pocket expenses resulting from accidents or illnesses that require a lengthy recovery. Unfortunately, many seniors mistakenly believe that Medicare covers the entire recovery period at home, but that's not the case. Turning 65 today comes with nearly a 70% chance of needing long-term care insurance and support in the future. About 42% of individuals require less than a year of paid home care, while 37% need less than a year of any skilled care in facilities. This statistic underscores the importance of understanding that nearly half of seniors will require some form of long-term care. Short-term care insurance provides coverage for extended care in your home or a facility, making it a valuable option for those who cannot qualify for or even afford long-term care insurance. It has fewer restrictions on qualification, and types of covered care is often more affordable and provides benefits more quickly. Clients having the freedom to choose where, when, and how they recover from an unexpected accident or illness can bring comfort and peace of mind. So, what short term care really does, it creates a revenue stream to cover unexpected extended care costs and protects the client's retirement plan from being massively depleted. When they are in a healthcare solution or when a healthcare solution necessitates in home or nursing facility assistance, such as prolonged recovery or ongoing medical care, it can rapidly deplete your client's savings. Short term care insurance can not only help you maintain the client's active lifestyle and stay in their home, but it also ensures the protection of their retirement funds. This insurance provides a safety net for your client's finances, guarding against unexpected future situations. An average American turning 65 years old today will likely incur 120,900 um, in future extended care costs. That's a rough estimate in today's dollars. Families will pay more than one third of those costs out of pocket, with the rest covered by public programs or private insurance. Plan benefits. Many older adults want to age in place, meaning stay in their own home as they get older, but they may have concerns about safety, getting around, or other daily activities. Short term care covers both medical and non medical help. You can select daily benefit amounts up to $400 per day maximum, or 360 days, 52 weeks of facility and home health care. Benefits are paid directly to you or the medical provider that you designate. The benefits and premiums for these plans will vary based on the plan option selected. Benefits are paid in addition to other healthcare insurance coverage. For daily nursing facility, coverage will pay a daily benefit for confinement in a nursing or assisted living facility provided the client cannot perform two or more activity of daily living or has cognitive impairment. No prior hospital stay required. It can also include 24-hour medical care, post stroke recovery, cardiac care, rehabilitation services, wound care, just to name a few. Home care, the waiting period of 0 or just 20 days. There are also additional benefits available. The household improvement benefit that provides the clients with $500 for home modification that varies with carriers. That helps the client to remain at home. The care coordination benefit provides $500 to help set up a care plan when the need arises. That also varies with carriers. Cash option. There's a choice to have recovery cash, pay a benefit without prior inpatient hospital stay. Benefits are paid for all levels of care and can be paid with plan choices up to 360 days. Let's talk about available riders. These vary by which carrier you choose. Hospital confinement benefit is designed to protect the client in the event of a hospitalization. Home health aid benefit. This benefit allows for up to an additional 30, 60, or 90 days of coverage beyond the initial maximum benefit period of 120 days. That varies by carrier. Ambulance benefit. This rider will pay you up to $200 ground ambulance services to and from a medical facility up to 4 times per year and is subject to a lifetime maximum of $2,500. No hospital confinement required, varies by carrier. Accident and sickness hospitalization benefit. Client can receive a benefit of up to $300 a day, depending on the plan chosen. Should the client be confined to a hospital due to accident or illness, they can choose a 3 day or 6 day benefit period, which will restore after 60 days or no hospital confinement. Full benefits are paid for hospital stays as long as confinement was at least 24 hours. nursing facility care allows the client to elect up to $500 daily benefit per day for up to 360 additional days. Also includes a 21-day bed reservation benefit that pays the daily amount to hold a care facility room during a hospital stay. Inflation protection allows the client to add inflation protection to the base home health care benefit, increases the daily benefit amount by 5% of the original daily on each policy anniversary. Adult daycare, you're looking at $50 per visit for up to 20 visits, and return a premium. That allows a portion of the premium to be returned if the policy is terminated, or will return all premiums they have paid minus the benefit paid in the event of their death. Whether your client is working or retired, it's important to consider the cost of healthcare and how an unexpected accident or illness could impact them as well as their family's finances. Even those who lead a healthy lifestyle may be at risk of experiencing an unexpected need for recovery due to the onset of health issues and disabilities. The number of Americans over the age of 65 is expected to rise from 56 million in 2020 to 84 million in 2050, and 40% of such adults will need daily assistance. You're looking at 78% of people between the ages of 59 to 69 that are looking at extended care insurance. 38% of those people between the ages of 65 and 69 are declined in the LTC space, and they would be good candidates for extended care. The average recipient of formal home care receives 30 hours of care per week, which is about over a full year. Okay, let's talk about starting the conversation. If you're an agent who's new to the Medicare space or the insurance space, you definitely want to make sure you establish a meaningful and comfortable conversation with your client. That's essential for building trust and fostering a positive relationship. Effective communication not only enhance the quality of care or relationship, but it also contributes to a good emotional well-being of that client. Starting the conversation could pose challenges, especially if you as the agent are unsure of where to start or how to maintain engagement. So here's a guide on how to navigate these conversations successfully. You want to prepare ahead of time. Preparation lays the foundation of successful interactions. Before engaging in the conversation, take a moment to gather information about your client's preferences, interests, and background. Understand their history, hobbies, and personal preferences can provide valuable insights into potential conversation starters. It's also beneficial to anticipate topics that may resonate positively with them, making it easier to initiate and sustain engaging discussions. Introduce yourself and stay positive. A warm and friendly introduction is crucial. Introduce yourself clearly and positively using a gentle tone, friendly demeanor. Starting on a positive note can set the tone for the conversation, making the client feel more at ease and open to engaging with you. Be aware of conversation killers. Avoid um, controversial topics, negative remarks, invasive questions. Invasive personal questions is very vital. Topics related to politics, religion, or sensitive issues might lead to discomfort or conflict. Respect their boundaries. Maintain a safe and comfortable environment for your client. Keep it simple. Simplicity is key, especially when initiating conversations with clients. Choose straightforward and easy to understand topics to avoid overwhelming or confusing them. Additionally, use clear and concise language that can help in ensuring effective communication. Ask for guidance and preferences. Engage your client by asking for their guidance or their preferences. Encourage them to share their thoughts, opinions, or desires regarding various topics. This not only shows respect for their autonomy, but also helps in directing the conversation towards subjects that interest them. Keep your body language in check. Nonverbal communication plays a significant role in conversation. Maintain open and welcoming body language, such as making eye contact, nodding affirmatively, and maintaining a relaxed posture. Pay attention to their body language as well, as it can offer cues about the comfort level or interest in the conversation. Most importantly, listen along with expressing interest. Active listening is paramount. Show genuine interest by actively listening to what your client has to say. Be interested, not interesting. Reflect on their words. Ask relevant questions, follow up questions, and show empathy. Demonstrate that you value and acknowledge their thoughts. Foster trust and deeper connection. Keep a balance in the conversation. Maintain a balance between speaking and listening. Avoid dominating conversation while also ensuring that your client feels heard and respected. Encourage them to share their thoughts and stories while also contributing your own experiences and anecdotes when appropriate. Be more interesting or bring interest. Be more interesting in how it can help. Sorry. Bringing interest and enthusiasm into conversations can make them more engaging. Share positive and uplifting stories, ask open ended questions, introduce diverse topics to keep the conversation lively. Your own genuine interest and enthusiasm can encourage the client to participate more actively. Finally, effective communication as an agent is foundation to build trust and meaningful connection with your client. Preparation, active listening, and a considerate approach to boundaries are essential elements in fostering a comfortable environment for engaging conversation. Now let's talk about next steps. Getting contracted. One of the most important things is to make sure you are in compliance with the carriers to be able to start speaking to your clients about what's available. Triage your clients. Decide who your first 10 calls are going to be. Begin the conversation, learn about their needs so you can make accurate recommendations. Honor your commitment to you. You made the time available for this presentation. This is your business and you're here because you want it to grow. That only happens if you follow through with this information and your clients. We here at AIM are just as committed to making sure your business grows. In summary, short-term care insurance is a invaluable resource that offers financial protection and peace of mind during times of recovery and medical needs. By covering services such as in-home nursing, physical therapy, and assistance with daily living activity, this insurance enables individuals to heal in the comfort of their home while maintaining their independence. Again, the benefit of short-term care insurance extends beyond cost saving. It also provides personalized care tailored to individual needs, promoting better health outcomes and a higher quality of life. This type of insurance can make a significant difference in the lives of those recovering from illness or surgery. We encourage you to explore the options available to your clients. Short-term care insurance not only alleviates the financial burden of unexpected medical events, but also ensures that your clients receive the compassionate and professional care necessary for a swift and comfortable recovery. Thank you for your time and attention today. I hope this presentation has provided valuable insights and will help you in making informed decisions about starting and continuing the conversation with your clients. Again, my name is Kanisha Catron. I can be reached at the emails listed below, as well as visit our website, yam.com. I hope you guys have an amazing rest of your day.
Okay, we're going to go ahead and open up, unmute everybody, and this will allow you to ask any questions that you've got. Quick reminder, Next up on the webinar schedule is on June 4th. It'll be Derek Lape taking a look at the hybrid long-term care portfolio. Can't overstate how important short-term care insurance looms for you in conversations with your clients. You know the clients, you know what their health situation is. And the one thing we've learned over the last 2 AEPs when we are doing agent debrief afterwards is how much of a hot button topic this is for those clients older than age 60. And it's a hot button topic because their families are living it in some way, shape, or form, whether it's an uncle, mom or dad, in-laws, brothers, sisters, whoever. They are seeing it up close and personal. They know they don't have anything to take care of themselves, and they are just flat out scared to death of it. Well, just simply asking them if anybody has talked to them about that puts you in the 10%, because 90% of those people have never had anyone offer to help them with this. We are tremendously fortunate that we have products that will solve for age. We have products that will solve for financial concerns in terms of how much it costs. And we've got products that will solve for health in terms of medical underwriting. Simple truth of the matter is, in most states, unless your client has been diagnosed with a cognitive impairment, there is coverage available, and you're able to put something in place that will allow them to stay at home and not have their lives disrupted by these ongoing health situations. So, all right, I'm going to make one last pass through for questions. And it looks like most everybody has the ability to mute themselves, and they have done so, which we appreciate. But with that, we're going to go ahead and wrap things up. We will process this. We'll get it uploaded on the website in the next day or so. We appreciate everybody making your time available. Marketing team members will be following up with you about this, answer any questions that you might have, help you with contracting requirements and such, so that we can get all of that started. So thanks everybody for your time. Appreciate you making it available. We'll look forward to talking to you again soon. Bye now.